Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's driven by Dan. For all the new subscribers, I am a car channel, but every year when the new iPhone comes out, I usually get it, so I do an unboxing video. So this is gonna be it. I got the orange one this time. Last year I got the titanium color, and the prior year I got a black one. I usually get the color that's new if I like it, and this was one of the new colors. Also the blue one, I really like the blue one, but I want to go with the orange one this time. So we're gonna do an unboxing video of it. Alright, we're gonna open this. Just put a little tab here. I got this today in the morning at the Apple store in Beverly Center. For some reason all the ones in my area didn't have it. Alright, so wow, the color is really nice. Color is super nice. And then I just noticed that the back of it, like in the old one, the box here, now it has the camera. Back then it used to be the front of the phone, now it's the back of the phone. Well, the orange color is super nice. We take it out, super nice color. I like the contrast here where it's like super shiny and then matte in here. Super nice. Put this aside right now. Go into the box. So the inside comes with the regular USB-C. The little manuals, no stickers. We're gonna turn it on. I really like the color. Color is super nice. I'm not sure what this is. Another back camera to look like this on the back. So we're gonna do all this stuff here. I don't know why, but I like it in large. Continue. Set up with another device. We're gonna connect to Wi-Fi. So let me get back to you guys, and I'll record once we're there. All right, after a long pause, I'm back because sadly the things didn't transfer from this phone to that phone. Nothing transfer over, so I gotta manually do everything, put the apps back in. But here you have it. I apologize that my old phone's dirty. It was in a case, so. But I really do like the orange. I thought I wasn't gonna like it. I know I picked it at first, but then after I started double guessing myself, do I really want orange? And honestly, I'm actually really happy with orange. It looks good. I usually have my phones in a case and stuff like that, so it's not gonna be orange forever. I did order a few cases from Amazon, so got this one here. I usually get the Apple ones, but this time I didn't want to get the Apple ones. I also got a screen protector from Amazon. But yeah, this is the phone. I'm going to the camera. We'll go on the camera here. So we're going to picture. So you guys see, we have the 5. You can't really see. This one has 8 zoom. It's pretty deep, the zoom. Damn, the car's super dusty. You guys see right here. This is on the regular, and this is with the 8 zoom. But yeah, Obviously I still have to fix the how I have everything set up. So here it is. There you go, they're connected now. Yeah, I gotta just transfer everything over. But the new phone is really good, it's really nice. If you have an older iPhone, I would suggest like upgrading, but if you have the previous model, unless you're like me where you want to get the new device and have the new device, yes, upgrade. But if not, I don't know, maybe just because of the camera changing, so maybe you do want to upgrade. But I do it every year. It would be cool if they gave you an orange cable or you know, orange stuff, just because the phone's orange. But I like the color a lot. I like the difference here. What do you guys think? You guys like the orange one? Would you guys have picked the orange one? I gotta download every single app. I like it a lot though. You could tell that it's much brighter too. Both of the phones are on low battery. But let's put them high brightness. You could tell this one's brighter than this one. It looks good though. It looks really good. I'm happy with the purchase. I'm happy with the color. Are you guys upgrading as well? Truly, I'm gonna test out the camera, take some pictures on both phones, and have a demonstration here to see if you guys see a difference on both phones. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the phones, and pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. Peace.